welcome to my junior suite. We are staying here at the Laylow in Waikiki. We are on the 15th floor with an amazing room and view. So to start off, we have the entrance door. It's quite heavy, and we have this little peephole up here. Anyway, as you see, we have this long hallway, and then to the right, we have our suitcases. There wasn't enough room in our closet to pack these, but we decided to just leave it here on the side. Up here, I just wanted to share some essentials that I brought with me on the trip. First, we have my foldable shopping bag from Kamek. You guys have seen this in my other videos. An umbrella that I keep forgetting to bring with me when I go out of the room. And then, of course, Lysol disinfecting wipes. Very essential whenever you travel. And then to the left of the hallway, we have our only closet here in the junior suite. Now moving on to the left side, this is our bathroom. As you can see, it's quite a spacious bathroom. Our sink is very large. However, one downside is I wish this outlet was over here, because it kind of doesn't make sense to have like your hair tools plugged in, but this is like the blank spot. We also have this mirror that I've been using every single day. Laylow was so kind enough to give us some little bath products. I really like this. This is from the brand Not Work LA, and I think it's so cute. It really matches the whole decor of the room. You just leave that there, and sometimes I put my jewelry on there. And then it came with, I thought this was a candle, but it has just some cotton balls, Q-tips, and wipes in there. Very convenient. On this left side, Kenny and I have just put our like toiletries. Yes, I packed my own face towel, and these are extra towels that roomkeeping has given us, and I kind of just stored it up here. And then on this little sliver under the tissue box, I have my hair products, hair tools, sorry. Yes, I packed my own hair dryer and curling iron. Under here, nothing special, it's just the piping and some extra products. Then I wanted to showcase another essential that we have. This is hand soap. I brought my own hand soap from home just so we had something to wash our hands with, obviously. This one is from Orange House and it smells really good. The rest of the bathroom is basically just shower, toilets, nothing too special. One thing I wanted to mention about the bathroom door is that it's quite heavy. However, whenever we try to close it, I guess the AC kind of pushes it open and there's no lock to it. So we moved our trash can from next to the toilet to over here so that whenever one of us needs to do business. So coming out of the bathroom, we have this seating area. Down here, we've kept our shoes. Yes, I have a lot of shoes, but I had to pack options. We have these two, I want to say rattan type chairs, and this nice wooden table. This is where Kenny and I have been eating most of our meals, and I've been taking some time to do some work. Yes, I'm on vacation, but doing some emails and stuff from afar. I really like this area because it's like cozy, and the bench gives me another option for seating, and then there's a bunch of outlets that I can plug my laptop and other electronics in. If you look up, we have this really fancy looking chandelier. Kenny says it looks like a sea urchin. Right next to the seating area, we have another kind of single chair. Right across from the orange chair, we have our couch seating area. We have our TV console / dresser. We have this huge TV that we've been playing YouTube on and watching the Olympics. On the far left side, we have some more decor and some books. Really aesthetic and all Hawaiian themed. All these books are about Hawaii. And our mini fridge. We have a mirror that you guys have been seeing me post my outfit of the days from. Right next to the mirror, we have our bed. This is a king size bed. At the very back, we have the iconic Laylow wallpaper. If you look around the hotel, all the colors are of this sort of like turquoise pink palette. The last place in our hotel room are the two balconies. So we have an entrance right by our bed and then one right next to the sofa area. We don't have too much of a view, but we can still watch the really pretty Hawaiian sunsets, and that's all that matters. And that is it to this hotel room tour. Again, we are staying at the Laylow Autograph Collection in Waikiki. We booked the junior suite on the 15th floor. We have loved our stay so far. The staff has been more than accommodating to everything. We really appreciate them coming every other day to provide housekeeping, and then they did a deep clean in the middle of our trip about the 4th day in. We love this hotel not only because of its decor and super beautiful rooms, but it is in the heart of Waikiki, so it's close to all the shops and the restaurants. We did also book a car, so that way we could explore the rest of the island, but if you do decide to stay here, there is a lot to do and a lot to visit. If you are planning to visit the island, please make sure to respect the locals, support small businesses, and please wear your masks. If you guys enjoyed this hotel room tour or are interested in any other travel videos, please let me know and I'd be happy to film them for you. And as always, thank you guys so much for taking the time to subscribe and watch this video. Your support means absolutely everything to me. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!